more the character of the person of, is this someone who's kind? Is this someone who's gracious? Because so much of a relationship, at one point, one of us will have the stomach flu. You know, we will all look unlovely and unalluring. And is this someone who will, when I'm sick, will go to the store, who will do that for me? The kitchen might not be perfect at the end, but they'll like have been taking care of like the house while I'm sick, and vice versa. And those are some of the things that, especially like the seduction guys, you know, because they have a different goal, and some of them are trying to segue more into being relationship advice experts now. But they're talking about like trying to pick someone up right away, and it's all about being alluring, and they'll talk about like cocky behavior, arrogance, and stuff like that. And I'm like, initial attraction is cool. Initial attraction is more important that a man feels that way for a woman, because it typically men, if he doesn't find her attractive right away, never does. He might find her a lovely person, but that romantic chemistry will never be there. For women, we often will develop feelings of attraction for a man who's still like, who's like appealing. I mean, it's not someone who we're like, not attracted whatsoever. Who we found just maybe kind of only appealing, maybe not a lot of chemistry right away, where he just treats us well over time. I don't mean like the dozens of roses, like the gift giving kind of treats us well. Opens doors, really cherishes us, talks with us, does things. And where he's busy with his work too, you know, and just like treats me in a kind, relationship oriented way. Then that's someone who's very attractive and very appealing as a life partner. And think about the lifestyle that you lead. Do you have a business of your own? Are you a salesperson? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a small business owner? Are you an employee? Do you travel a lot? Even if you're an employee, do you travel a lot? Think a little bit creatively of what will match with me. What won't?